So today we'll be making this beautiful bikini bra cup. And if I was new to crochet but I needed to make a bikini really quickly for like an upcoming beach day, this is exactly what I would be making. You'll just need any weight 3 light DK yarn. I'm using a 50% cotton and 50% bamboo blend, and I'm also using a size F or 3.75 millimeter hook. And you'll start by making a chain of 12 if you're doing an extra small. I will list the beginning foundation chain for the other sizes, and after you make that beginning chain, you will start to make your single crochet stitches. Once you get to the tail, it should look like this. You're actually going to continue working your way all the way around so that we can form this cup shape. So you're going to make another single crochet in that same space. You'll chain 2, and then you'll single crochet 2 times in that same exact space. And you'll start to see that a little point starts to form, and that's how you know you're kind of getting that starting shape of the bra cup or the bikini cup. And you'll continue to work into the base of that first row. Now you'll be working row 2, so you'll chain 1, turn your work, and now we're going to work through just the back loops of this row. So same exact thing we did before, but you're just working through just those back loops until you get again all the way to the top. You'll do your single crochet 2, chain 2, single crochet 2, and then work your way back along the other side. Now we're working on row 3, which starts now with working through just those front loops. So you just finished a row, you're working your way back, and now you're working through just the front loops of the row so that we keep all of the texture on one side of the bra cup. So this would be the inside, which is why we're just trying to make sure this side looks really flat. Again, you're repeating the same thing at the top of that cup, and then you're working your way along the other side, still working through just the front loop. So when I flip it around, as you can see, all of the texture and the 3D element of the stitches is just on one side. And I've gone ahead and worked here a few more rows. I'm not mentioning a specific amount of rows because it will change, or yeah, it will be different depending on which size that you end up making. But just for reference, I'm personally on my 6th row, and again, I'm making a size like extra small, itty bitty titty committee cup. And I'm just working this row similarly to the previous ones at first. But once I get to the top, I'm going to just be putting 1 single crochet at the top, and then 1 chain 1, and then another single crochet. So a bit different than the previous rows where we were doing like 2, 2, and 2, because it's starting to get a little crowded at the top, and we just don't need as much increasing anymore now that the cup shape is really starting to take form. After completing at least 7 rows total, you'll want to measure to make sure you're getting the coverage that you're looking for, because we're going to start working lace stitches at this point. So you will chain 5 to start, and then we will be working double treble crochet stitches or double triple crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and then work another double treble crochet in the next stitch. Now that the double treble crochets look great, we're going to add some more structure with a single crochet row. So once you chain 1 and turn your work, you will do a single crochet at the top of that double treble. Then you'll put another single crochet in the space and continue that for the rest of the row. So 1 at the top and then 1 at the space. This is a great place to try your cup on. Make sure it's covering what you would like to cover, and just make sure you don't need to add or take away any rows. Now we're working on the picot, so you will single crochet in the next 2 spaces, chain 3, and then slip stitch into the base of that single crochet stitch. As you get to the top of the cup, you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then you'll go ahead and chain 4 and single crochet into that same exact space. You'll repeat the same thing, so you'll make single crochets in the next 3 stitches, do your picot, and then go back to the 2 single crochet picot pattern. And then once you cut your yarn and tie the knot, it is complete. You just need to make another one and add your straps to finish your bikini top.